Hey you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 18, I think. Not even sure, but today is Sunday and I'm all dressed up and ready to go. I just have like a skirt on and like a cute t-shirt. We're going to a church bingo at my husband's parents' church, so that'll be fun. Can't wait for that. So yeah, I'll bring you along for that.
62. Oh, 62. Oh, 62. Oh.
Hey you guys, and what is up? So we just got home. I'm so excited. We didn't win. So we won once, but it wasn't even like at bingo. We won at like the door prices. So whenever you buy your ticket, you would get like a little ticket and it had numbers on it. And you could get a door prize, and the door prize was just like a bottle of wine. But so pretty awesome because my mother-in-law got also a bottle of wine, and so did my father-in-law. So then at the end of it all, they just gave us the bottles because they're like, we're not going to drink them. I'm like, that's perfect, because my friend and I always get together to have, to just have like wine night and just hang out and whatever. But I'm so excited. I just got home and I got a package, and I have been waiting for this, so I can't wait to show you all. What's in here is a cover from, I got it on Amazon, but it's the updated size cover from Moterm. I am so stoked. This is supposed to fit a Happy Planner Mini. I got it in the, I think it's called like white, lychee white. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. But let's open her up. Should I do an unboxing? It's fine. We'll be okay. I'll just post it with this vlog for, what's today's date? Vlogmas day 18, 19? Wow, that's insane. Anyways, let's open her up. It's like, comes in its little dust bag, which we love, in the box. And, dun 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 dun. Ah, I love it already. So it's in this like white color. It's really pretty. Oh, yay. And it is supposed to fit a Happy Planner Mini, because before they had the B6, they didn't have one that fit a Happy Planner Mini. So what we all used to do was buy the B6 size, and this is actually updated to fit a Happy Planner Mini with actual like bigger discs, because before we would get the B6 and I think it was the B6. The B6 you would have to use like mini discs, and you couldn't fit anything in your planner, so it was like such a bust because you couldn't really do much with it. But this is supposed to, and it does. So I have my cover right here. This is the cover that I got from Cloth and Paper, and you just slide her in. Yay! Perfection! Yes, and it's like big enough. It looks like it's big enough. I hope it's big enough. If not, like, I could grab another cover, because I know this cover I feel like was like a little bit large. No, I think she's good. I think it's good. Yay! Look. Perfect. Oh, I'm so excited to just have my mini in a cover, because that was my concern. So I was very hesitant to use my Happy Planner Mini, because I have a personal size planner, I have a pocket size planner, I have an A6, not an A6, an A5. An A5 is too big for an on-the-go. A personal size planner, which I have plenty of covers of, I just don't have any inserts for them. I haven't really like thought about using a personal size planner, so I kind of like just realized or decided that makes no sense to have a personal size planner, have to go and buy inserts for it or whatever the case may be, when I have a Happy Planner Mini that was sent to me from the Happy Planner. I have plenty of inserts for that. Why am I going to go and buy new stuff? And so I also had the Pocket Planner, which I was debating between the Happy Planner Mini and the Pocket Planner. because the pocket planner is just so small and you can like fit, like use it kind of like as a wallet. And so that was one of the ones that I was debating on, and it was like really up there in what I was going to use, but I finally ended up deciding, let me go with the mini. I think that's going to be it, and we can fit it into one of these planner covers, which I was hesitant. I really thought it wasn't going to fit. I was like, maybe it'll work out, but it looks like we're in business. I will say there's like a slight overhang. I don't know if you can see it, like this is the cover. It's minimal, it's not that much. But I'm actually thinking of not even having a cover on it and just keeping it kind of like you would like an A5 or like a personal size planner where you just open it up and it's like boom, your inserts. The only thing I will probably use instead of like this bigger cover is maybe have a like a protector, like a page protector of some sort. And that doesn't necessarily have to be, I'm trying to like look around, see if I have anything. It doesn't have to be a full cover. It could just be like a little, I don't know, they have like those plastic little pockets that I can put like little cards in, or I can maybe order one that's like actually smaller, because I have a Happy Planner mini down here and I'm trying to figure out, because I feel like these are smaller. No, they're about the same size. I always thought they were smaller, but they are about the same size. So let me put this on here. Maybe it's because the discs are so large. I feel like they're not even that big, which is interesting. Yeah, there's just still like a slight overhang, but you can use it with your bigger discs, which was the biggest thing that I wanted. The only other thing that I could think of is maybe like having a smaller cover in the back so it can just like actually slide all the way in. That's the only other thing that I can think of that would help it not have such a large overhang. But otherwise, like, I feel like this is perfect. I am so excited. I am gonna stick these little, I don't want to cut these off, but I'm gonna stick them in here so they're like out of the way. But this is so cool because it has so many pockets right here, over here, like all these pockets. You have this one, you have another one, these back here, and you have the really large one in the back, which you can like stick like sticker sheets, or if you take like notes for anything, you can just put them in there. So I'm really stoked about that, because you'll be able to use it for anything and everything, and it's on the go and you don't have to worry about it. So yay, I'm so excited. Anyways, I feel like I should look for some little cards or something to put in here. Like I have some, let me grab them. Do I have some? I think I do. Like these right here. These are from Cloth and Paper. So I have some of these. I don't have a whole ton because I haven't gotten rid of them, but I just haven't really needed to use them. So I've just kind of, my collection isn't as large as it used to be, which is probably for the best because it's not necessary. I'm trying to figure out if I have discs that are smaller. Okay, these are, so I keep a ton of like my stationery stuff in here, and by stationery I mean like actual like little cards. Like whenever I send something to like a friend or whatever, I'll use these little cards. I also have like some envelopes, just things that I know that I could use, along with like more of these little, somebody messaged me. And I also have these cards. So I could always put some of these in here with maybe one of these. I have this ollie clip from Cloth and Paper. It's the Cloth and Paper ollie clip. So I could use something like this to pin one of these on here or something. You know what? I'm going to use this Stay Focused. This one, a focus, is going to be my word of the year. So I'm excited. Cute. Okay, I have more cards apparently. I have no idea that I had more cards, but I have this one, and this one I've had for a while, but I'm probably not going to use that one because of the warm tones. Let's take a look in here. Oh, I have these little sticky notes that came out in the Happy Planner Be Happy box. So that would be really cute to keep in here. I only have a few of those because I had gifted some to my, I had gifted all of them to my friends actually. So I don't have too many of them, which is a good thing because I could be a hoarder sometimes. So something like that. I'll show you all here in a second. Trying to get it a little bit organized because the pockets are always the hardest to like style and stuff, I feel like. Oh, it's so hard that that one's like, so these two are kind of like an off-white. They're not completely white. Like, let me compare it to a white card. Like this one. No, I feel like it's not. Is it just because, oh, okay, so that's the difference. Because if you see the difference, and I feel like there's a difference in these two whites. At least like next to each other in person, you can tell. No, but there is a difference. I don't know if you can tell. There's a difference. This looks more gray and this one looks more white. So that's like kind of throwing me off. Maybe I don't use those gray ones and I just use the white one. I'm not sure. It's weird that they're like that. It bothers me if I'm being honest. It's something so simple, but it bothers me. It's gonna bother me so bad. Like the little things that just don't even matter, but they bother me. Styling pockets is just like the hardest thing ever. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I just feel like I don't have enough pockets and enough like things that I can use to style pockets with because haven't had to buy anything in a while. Not necessarily buy anything because like usually these little cards I would just get from Cloth and Paper, and Cloth and Paper would send them in their subscription box. But lately I haven't been subscribed to anything because I don't need to. Like with all this stuff that Happy Planner is sending me, like It's just not necessary for me to buy or be subscribed to anything else, if I'm being honest. Let's take a look. Like, I have this card that is just like literally like a little blank note card, and I thought about maybe like putting it in here, but I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't really go. I'm such a complicated person. I think it'll be okay. Okay, let me put these in here. Call it a day. Just call it a day, Anabel. Maybe like memo cards? No. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put these. These are like the little sticky notes. I'm gonna put them back in there just to put things away because it's not necessary. Yeah, okay. So that's what I'm gonna keep it as for now, because like that's all I literally have. But it's not necessary to have anything else, so yay, I'm so excited. I think it looks good. I think it looks really pretty. Yeah. It's just so weird that like, because I've seen unboxings of this, and I feel like I've seen people use even thicker discs, but somehow the one that I have is just not even fitting in right. Maybe like I can do something with one of the other little dividers that I have. Not dividers. Let me see how this fits. I feel like it's like the exact same size. Let's try it out. Let me try to flip this around. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I have here. This is the cover that is from the, this is the Villains Collection one, the mini. But I just put it on here because if I do end up trying to use this one, all you're going to see is the back of it. So let's give that a try and see how that fits. I feel like there's still a slight overhang. It's not too much, but still like something. Can you like tell like right here? It's not a lot, and it doesn't really bother me that much. I wish like it had another little clip to like make it like smaller, because then at that point then you wouldn't have to worry about it so much. It wouldn't be as bad. Is it in there? But then what if I end up using more space? You know what I mean? But I feel like I wouldn't. I don't know. Does that look good though? If it's thicker, how's it gonna be? I don't know. It's just so pretty. I'm just so excited. Anyways, this is what I got from Moterm on Amazon. I believe, I'm not sure if they've updated their sizing again, but I do know that they have the one that has like the zipper pouch and everything, which is actually really pretty, but I've always preferred this style instead of the zipper. I just don't like the zipper, but this is what it looks like. I think it looks so pretty. I can't wait to like print something out to put on the front to just like spruce it up and change things out. I'm so stoked. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this. Let me turn this around. Okay, anyways, so I hope you enjoy this. I know this video was like a little bit shorter, not as long. I'm gonna try to vlog tomorrow a lot better, actually show you my day, but yeah, this was the day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye!